elaborate how if someone having a, let's assume if someone having a medical device and they are applying for the FDA 510K. So then what will the process? What is the process for applying it, and what are the
Yeah.
step involving it?
Yes, absolutely. So the process is involves preparing a comprehensive and thorough submission describing your medical device so that the FDA can review it. And it includes, among other things, the description of the device, the nature of the device, the risk classification of the device, various forms of testing data you may supply, performance testing, human factors testing, possibly clinical testing, and also the labeling and user materials that are supplied with the device, the user instructions, the device labels, and so forth. FDA, in a 510K application, FDA reviews the submission and compares the characteristics of your device against a legally marketed predicate device. So this is another device that has previously been cleared by the FDA, and you are basically claiming in your submission that our device is very similar to this one, to the predicate device. There are no unknown risks, unknown hazards that this device can pose to the patient. So it's very similar to that one. So use that as a guide to kind of process this submission is what you would essentially be telling FDA. And FDA will grant the clearance if they determine that your device is substantially equivalent to the predicate device. Now, of course, the actual steps in the process are much more complex and much more involved. So, I would definitely recommend to anyone, any company, to work with a regulatory professional to kind of guide you through the process, right? This is something we do
Your company.
routinely exactly. We do this routinely at RX Device Consulting.